Hello family, you are welcome back to our channel. We appreciate all the love shown to us. We don't take it for granted. We are here again to take you through another special and nutritious food journey that everyone would love. Let's keep up memories forever. Come with us as we make magic together. We start by introducing our ingredients. We have bell pepper, carrots, spring onions, onion, habanero pepper, garlic and ginger, all-purpose spices, powdered pepper, oil, baking powder, lime, chicken, and rice. These are all our ingredients ready to kickstart for our food process. We wash the chicken thoroughly with the lime and take off the chicken skin. We wash the chicken again with the remaining lime to make sure it's very well cleaned. Now let's get to business. Because this is a chicken sauce, we are going to need the part of the chicken that has more meat. We take out all the bones and cut the meat into smaller stripes. You can cut it into many shapes as you want, but this is how I want mine. You can use the chicken thighs. You can as well use the chicken breast so far as there is more meat around it. We wash the chicken very well into a bowl. Now, we are going to marinate with our all-purpose spices, salt, powdered pepper, we now use our wooden spatula to just stir it till it's properly marinated or till everything is well combined. So we are going to cover and set it aside, usually for about 3 to 4 hours or even overnight if you have enough time. So as our chicken is marinating, we are going to wash our carrots, green pepper, and spring onions with salt water and cut into our preferable sizes. I am using the green pepper today. You can use red, yellow, or any color of bell pepper you want. I choose to use green today. We take out all the seeds, clean the carrot very well, and also the other vegetables. We begin to slice them into our preferable sizes. because we want to have a feel of the vegetables in our sauce. You can cut them into smaller sizes if you want, but this is the exact way I want to keep it. We continue to cut the garlic into very smaller portions, followed by the pepper and ginger, and also the spring onion. We pour water into a bowl and mix our flour together. Pour charcoal into the coal pot and set the fire up. Put a pot on fire to be heated and check the marinated boneless chicken. Pour a little oil into the pan on fire. Add the chicken and stir. Take the chicken out from the pan. Add another oil and pour in the carrot to fry a little bit. Add the sliced garlic, ginger and habanero pepper to the carrot and mix together. Add a little water and continue to stir gently. We now add the green pepper and sliced onions and stir all together till it's well mixed. Add the boneless chicken to the vegetables on fire and mix. We now pour the mixed flour onto the vegetables and boneless chicken on fire and stir it to mix very well. Add the spring onions, mix and take it off the fire. We now put a pot on fire, pour oil into it, add water and begin to wash the rice. Put the washed rice into the pot, add salt, stir and cover to cook. Our rice is now ready and we begin to serve it in a very beautiful style. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Kindly subscribe to become part of this amazing family. Share and leave your comments for more. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. Keep supporting us to grow. Tell us where you are watching us from for a warm shout out. So as our food is ready, we enjoy it together with you. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us. See you in our next video. God bless you.